Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change the shifter knob on your Jeep Patriot, or this works for the Compass as well. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, and it's pretty simple. I'll just show you. You stick the screwdriver in between the cap and the bottom of the shifter knob, pry in there. And then just pull this knob. It may take a little bit of effort, but there you go. I got a replacement knob since I had some damage to my previous knob, and I just googled the year and make model of my Jeep and ordered it online. Came from them. It was $17. My dealership wanted to charge me over $100 to replace it. That's $50 an hour for an hour and a half, and what you saw just happened in 45 seconds. So get smart, YouTube it, Google it, and do it yourself. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.